It's day 17 of breaking out of handcuffs, but today we're gonna be doing it under the stars. Let's go. Before I get to the escape, I just have to drop something off at my grandmother's real fast. She just said to leave it on her doorstep. Hello? Is somebody there? What was that? Hello?
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Beat that wolf. Now back to my grandmother's. Subscribe for day 18. And if you're feeling generous, you can donate to my channel. Links in my bio.